The following is information on RIP repair kits and fasteners from Flexco. It is brought to you by beltsmart.com, an authorized distributor. RIP repair kits are available in 25 and 100-piece sets. They are available in steel and stainless steel. Please take a moment and review the following selection chart to ensure you are ordering the correct part number for your application. The following chart will help with determining the correct lace and repair kit for your heavy black belt application. Choose your ply and tension, find your covers, and you will easily find the recommended lace and RIP repair kit. If you purchase your black belt from BeltSmart, it's even easier, just go by the belt part number. Click pause if you need more time to review this chart. RIP repair kits, which include fasteners, bolt horn, bolt breakers, power punch, power boring bit, 2 power wrenches, and quick change chuck are available for your convenience. Check belt thickness range and visit beltsmart.com for pricing and to order. For repair of 2-ply, 3-ply, and 4-ply heavy black belting, the following are best practices for RIP repair. For lengthwise straight rips, no RIP fasteners are required. Flexco solid plate fasteners such as the 140 and 190 series are recommended. Repair fasteners should always be applied crosswise in the belt for smooth travel over pulleys. For jagged or loose flap tears, lengthwise conveyor belt tears, or for bridging soft spots, standard 140 or 190 series bolt solid plate fasteners can be combined with 3-bolt RIP repair fasteners to create the best repair. Larger size holes can be effectively repaired by applying 140 and 190 series standard Flexco solid plate fasteners and a patch of belting as in the bottom picture. No RIP repair series would be necessary in a patch like this. To reduce critical downtime or for quick temporary repairs, hammer-applied turtle number 16 fasteners are recommended every 4 to 6 inches along the rip. Please stay tuned for a Flexco video on proper use and installation for RIP repair. If you have any questions, please contact us at beltsmart.com. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Russ Heinz. Today I'm going to show you how to use Flexco fasteners to repair your belt, whether it's a longitudinal rip or a puncture in your belt. These are the tools required to do the installation. The first thing we want to do is examine the type of rip we have. Here we have a straight and a jagged longitudinal rip. Choosing the type of fasteners will be based off of the type of rip. For the straight rip, we can utilize the 2-bolt or the 3-bolt type of fastener. And in the jagged rip, we want to utilize the 3-bolt fastener, making sure the 2 bolts are supporting the flap or the weak side of the belt. When laying out the fasteners, we want to make sure that we keep a 4 to 6 inch spacing, depending on the type of material conveyed and the lump size, to create a sift-free application. To punch the holes, use the punch size for the corresponding fastener. Here I'm fortunate enough to have a wood plank supporting the belt for punching. In some scenarios, you may be working underneath the belt from the bottom side. Always make sure you have the rip edges as close together as possible before punching. When placing the plates over the rip, make sure it's centered over the rip before punching. It always helps to use silicone to help keep the punches cool so they don't dull. To put the bottom plate assemblies into your belt, you can do this from the top side or bottom side, depending on what works best in your application. Working from the top or bottom side, place the top plates over the bolts. If needed, you can use a bolt horn for easier insertion. Then place the nuts over the bolts. The Flexco bolts have a piloted end for easier installation of the nuts. Using the corresponding power wrench, we'll go ahead and tighten the nuts. I'm going to start by just tightening the nuts so the plate is flat on the belt, and then I'll come back and give the plates compression into the belt. To break the bolts, use the corresponding bolt breakers for the fastener size selected. Make sure you use short, quick strokes to make it easier to break the bolts. The final step is to peen the excess bolts to prevent the nuts from backing off. If the type of repair is due to a puncture, we want to size the opening for a replacement patch. After making your patch and inserting it into place, we want to determine the layout of the plates. We want to make sure we put the corners of the patch in first, and then fill in the remaining spaces. For the installation of the fasteners, we'll follow the same process we did for the longitudinal rip and a standard bolt solid splice. Following these quick and easy steps, you should now have the confidence to get your belt up and running with minimal downtime.